Hey guys, Allison here with Novus Home Mortgage. So a lot of us have now been working from home for a year and a half, and maybe we don't know when we're going to stop working from home. And you're interested in purchasing your next property, but you have a couple questions on how that would work. A few things and the most common questions we get asked are this. So if I'm going to hold on to my home and I don't want to sell my home, can I rent it out or something to use that to offset my mortgage payment to be able to qualify for another home? And the answer is yes. You can use a 1-year lease. So if you rent out your home, let's say for $2,000 a month, and your mortgage payment is $1,500 a month, you can use that rent to offset your current mortgage payment so that you're not having that debt counted against you when you're qualifying for the new payment. And the best part of it is, let's say there's $500 extra in cash flow, you could use that $500 and help it offset your new monthly payment of the larger, maybe more expensive home. If this is your scenario and you'd like to know how those numbers shake out for your personal situation, please reach out. We'd love to see if we can help. Thanks for watching.